Hello everyone, I am Deepa. I am teacher from Goldenbee Global BTM branch. World Conservation Day is celebrated on July 28th to raise the awareness of importance of conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. Conservation is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of nature and ensuring a healthy and a prosperous future for all living things. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, overexploitation of resources have led to alarming rates of environmental degradation and biodiversity. Climate change poses a significant threat to all the planets, causing rising temperature, melting the glaciers, and extreme weather events. Conservation aims to protect, preserve, and natural resources, including forests, oceans, wildlife, and water. Practices such as recycling, renewable energy, and eco-friendly technologies can significantly reduce our ecological footprint. So, let us celebrate this World Conservation Day by taking an action on the reduce, reuse, and recycle, use public transport or carpooling, support renewable energy projects, plant more trees and support the reforestation efforts, choose the eco-friendly products, support the conservation organizations. So, let us come together and we can make a difference and create a better future for all.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.